Hey, it's me again, David Getoff, traditional naturopath, board-certified clinical nutritionist, and the vice president of the 68-year-old nonprofit Price Pottenger Nutrition Foundation. Please give me just 2 minutes of your time to hear how I can change your life. You may be wondering how, if you want to feel young, full of energy, and live forever, what you would have to change in your life. Well, I can say that I can't teach you to live forever, but I can get you as close as possible and way closer than if you follow what you hear from TV and radio advertisements or the health advice that you get from your doctor or from a registered dietitian. Sorry, but physicians and dietitians are simply not taught how to keep us healthy with fully researched diet changes and nutritional supplements. Physicians are only taught how to drug away undesirable symptoms while the underlying condition gets worse, or to do surgery, when needed, to repair broken bones. Even many surgeries have been shown to be unnecessary if the body's ability to heal itself is properly supported so that it can take care of the problem. Obviously, surgery is needed when we break our bones. The number one problem people tell me that continually gets in the way of improved health is not an unwillingness to make some changes in their life and to try and do something different. Nope. It's the massive confusion from hearing everyone giving different, contradictory advice that seems to completely change every few years. Eggs are good, eggs are bad. Red meat is good, no, it's bad. Dairy builds strong bones, no, dairy causes mucus and allergies. Chicken is good, no, only if you remove the skin. Eat lots of fruit, no, it has too much sugar. Whole grains are great for you, no, they have too many carbs, and on and on and on. For over 25 years, I have been teaching my students and my patients how to live longer, healthier lives and greatly reduce their risks of getting illnesses and diseases as they grow older while keeping their health and energy. I make this education fun and easy to understand, and I fully explain the reasons so you won't ever need to wonder anymore who is right and who hasn't learned the facts and is going on outdated but still being taught faulty information. Come join me in my Attaining Optimal Health online course, or even one of my shorter videos on a single specific health topic. If you happen to live in San Diego, you might even check out when my next in-person class is being run. Thanks for listening. I look forward to helping you improve your health, your energy, your sleep, and a whole lot more.